Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm playing Plastic Heavy Blender for the next week in September. If you saw last week, I did this where I put a watermark on it, and I did it again. This is just like a Google image of leaves, but I am going to add a little bit more this week, so there will be a little bit of decorating with stickers, so you can stick around for that. I think I'll just use some of the pieces I have left from the seasonal sticker book and add to this. This is the week that fall starts, so I did fall leaves. So let's do that. Okay, I used a little bit of the seasonal, mostly just these like bullet point stickers. I was gonna use more, but I have used up a lot of them because I used them. Yeah, so it is still mostly decorated with the watermark, which I know is not like super easy to show on the video, but if you liked it, please hit like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe, notification bell, comment. Yeah, again, any questions you have, if you have any sticker book recommendations, yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.